This is Tozo T6 True Wireless Stereo Bluetooth headphone. If you got one of those babies who want to pair and connect for the first time, set up with any of your smartphones, we're here to help you in that process. Now, right after unboxing, to take it into pairing mode, first make sure you have removed these plastics from the charging contacts on your earbuds. After that, put them back in, close the lid, open the lid again. The buds will show red LED. Now just go ahead, take them out. In a few moments, both of them will flash alternate red and blue pulsing LED. That means they're on pairing mode. If it doesn't show the blue and red LED, just press on both of these buttons touch controls to turn it on them first, and after that they'll go into pairing mode with the same LED we have shown you. Now whatever device you're using to pair them with, from settings go to the Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now when Tozo's name pops up in the nearby Bluetooth devices list, just tap and pair. Now as soon as they're paired and active, the LEDs will turn off. It can only pair to one device at the same time. Only if you remove or disconnect it from the previous one, you can take it into pairing mode again and pair it with another device by the same process. In addition to that, if you want, you can download, install, and set up the Tozo app, from where you can explore the app, customize functions like equalizers, button functions, and a lot of other settings according to your own preference and comfort. Whenever you keep them back into the charging box, they'll be disconnected from your device it was paired to. And whenever you take them off again, it'll be auto-connected to the last device it was paired and active on. And that's how easily you can pair and use your Tozo T6 with any of your smartphones. Thanks for watching.